Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this little coat. As you can see, it's pretty green. It's packaged quite nicely. Let's get this out of the packaging, though. I bought this for a costume, cosplay, whatever you want to call it, that I'm doing for a Marvel Day that we have in school. And as you might figured, this is gonna be for a Loki costume. That's why I bought this green one. There's different lengths to it, has different material on the inside compared to the outside. Feels really nice and well made. Especially I paid like 15 bucks, which is pretty cheap, I think. On the other side, it's mostly just some fabric. It also has a little hoodie, which gives it an extra cool touch. Let's see if we can get this unwrapped, and then we will actually see that in a second, and then I will throw that on as well. Let's see, okay, it's pretty big. Oh, whoa. Okay, I think I found it though. Here is the top part where you're gonna be closing the cape, and then here, as I said, the hoodie. Pretty wide, gonna be fun and games when we have that on. So let's jump over and try it on. So here we are. I'm filming in the mirror, otherwise I won't be able to. As you can see, it's covering pretty nicely my shoulder, a little bit of my chest part as well, giving it a really nice look. It fits well. I still got quite some room. I can move freely, which is really exciting. I can put my arm all the way up. That's good. So I'm not, having any problems figuring stuff out. This is what it looks from this side. As you can see, there's the hoodie. I will try and put that on in a second here. There's different lengths, as I said. This one is going to my knees or around my knees. There's longer versions as well. Just didn't feel like having a longer one than that. But yeah, let's put on the hoodie, and then we will see how that looks. And then I think we can call it a day. So you get an idea, though. As you can see, you can actually pull that pretty deep into your face. As you can see, I can cover up pretty much everything. You can wear it higher, it's totally up to you. But yeah, that's kind of what this is all about. Pretty exciting, looking good. I can actually pull this all the way over to the other side, and this is basically what you can expect from this cape. So if you're looking for that, check it out, and until the next time, you guys, bye bye.